This video will guide you on how to transfer Google Photos to iCloud quickly and safely. Part 1. How to transfer Google Photos to iCloud via Google Takeout. Google Takeout is developed by Google to offer a seamless photo transfer from Google Photos to iCloud. This outstanding tool supports transferring various data files linked with Google services such as Calendar, Chats, and more. Step 1. Head to Google Takeout on any of your PC's browsers. Sign into your Google account using the correct information. Now scroll down to Google Photos and tick the box next to it. Step 2. Find the icon for Next Step at the lower right part of the screen and tap on it. A page will display on the screen. Choose Export once, then change the file type and size. After that, click Create Export. Step 3. Then the Google Takeout app will move the photo to your PC's local drive, and you will receive a confirmation email that your data will be sent to your mail. Finally, go to iCloud on the PC, sign into your iCloud account, then sync the pictures to iCloud. Part 2. How to move Google Photos to iCloud through downloading and uploading. Step 1. Go to Google Photos, then log into your account. Find the pictures you wish to move from Google Photos to iCloud. Select all of them, tap on the three dots menu at the upper right of the screen, and click the download button. Step 2. Also, you can press the Shift+D keys on the keyboard. Doing this will download the pictures to the PC. Step 3. Now, head to your iCloud on the web and select the Photos icon. Tap on the Upload icon at the top to upload the downloaded photos from Google Photos. Part 3. How to transfer photos from Google Photos to iCloud on Mac. Step 1. Open Google Photos in a new tab on Mac. Look for the folder with photos. To choose many images at once, press and hold the Command key, which is just beside the spacebar. Step 2. Now tap on the three-dot menu at the upper right, choose the option to download, and choose the location. Step 3. Open the Photos application on Mac. Drag the downloaded pictures from the download folder to iCloud. Step 4. Once you open the Photos app, head to System Preferences, iCloud, and ensure you've turned on the iCloud Photos option. Then you will successfully export Google Photos to iCloud on Mac. Part 4. How to transfer pictures from Google Photos to iCloud on iPhone. Step 1. On iPhone, open the Google Photos application. Head to the albums in your Google Photos to find the pictures there. Press and hold onto a picture to choose it. You can also take multiple photos. Step 2. Click on the share icon located at the upper part of the screen. It's a square with an up arrow. Then choose Save Images. Your photos will now be downloaded to Camera Roll. Step 3. To access the images you downloaded from Google Photos, open the iPhone's Photos app. To ensure that all of your photos are synced across iCloud, turn on iCloud Photo Library. Step 4. To enable iCloud Photos on your iPhone, open the Settings app and head to Photos. If the toggle is off, switch it on. If it's already turned on, leave it as is. Step 5. You are presented with two options: optimize iPhone storage or download and keep originals. If you'd like to save space on your device, select the Optimize iPhone Storage option. This will store low-resolution versions of the photos while iCloud retains the originals.